Hello everyone, welcome to Automation Community. Kindly like and subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates and videos. So in this session, we are going to see how to use the up counter in CX Programmer. So let's take instruction and go for detail, find instruction, and there you can find counter. So CNT, this is our counter. CNT counter, let's take that. And it is asking for counter number and the remaining variables. So I'm giving the counter number as C0. Okay, you can, no need of C, you can give directly C and give OK. So once you have given, you need to set the value. So how much count you want to make? So let's take the example. The parcel have to move in a conveyor, no? So you will be having a sensor. So let's add one sensor here. Sensor. So whenever the sensor is giving an input, the counter has to increment. So let's take how much count we can do. Let's take 5. If once the 5 parcel crossed, I have to turn on alarm. So hash, just type hash and 5. That's it. So like this only you have to give the set value. So for every 5 count, it will give the signal. So that signal how you can take means that feedback from the counter you can take with same normal how we can take it for the timer, same like you can give. You need to give the timer, counter's address, and you have to give as normally open contact. So when this contact will turn on, whenever the 5 value is reached, it will be on. So I'm going to turn on one alarm bit or buzzer bit. Let's take as a buzzer output. Alright. So now if you see the counter, we have one more input here. So what does that input mean? That is for the reset. So counter is having the reset input. So all counters will get reset to start from beginning. See, after 5 count, what will happen? The counter output will be in on condition only. Correct. So counter, once the output is on means it will be on only. So how you are going to turn off? So you have to reset the counter. So let's compile. So let's go online. So there is a 5 count, right? So let's the conveyor is on. Imagine the conveyor is on and one parcel is going to cross. So I'm turning on one input, which imagine this is a sensor. The sensor is giving one input. So let's see the counter its value is reduced to 4. So for it was 5, now it is 4. So turn off it. So again one parcel comes. It is turning on. So one more parcel. So 3 parcel has crossed. Okay. So now the 4th one. So now the 5th one. The 5th one is going to cross. So once the 5th one is crossed, you can see the output is on. The counter's output is on. Look, the buzzer output is on. So it will be like an indication, right? So now what happens if the 6th parcel comes? Nothing is happening. See, it is not at all taking. Because once the limit is reached, so the counter will not respond to your sensor. Okay, I'm turning on, nothing is happening. So what you have to do? You have to reset the counter. So you have to reset it. Reset. So that's it. Once you have pressed the reset, it will same as the previous, like the fresh one. Again, you have to start. So second parcel is happening. It's crossed. Okay. So now, there's some cases you want to start from beginning. So you have to start from beginning. You don't want the two parcel as a count. So you have to start from the beginning, means you can make use of the reset bit to start fresh. That's it. So in between, if you want to reset that counter, you can make use of the reset bit. I hope you have understand this counter concept. I'll meet you in the next session with up-down counter concept. So before winding up, kindly like and subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates. Thank you.